Today, the Sales Viper has something special for you. If you are stuck and making less than $10,000 every single month, then this video is absolutely for you. The Sales Viper is going to be dropping some truth serum, and he's going to let you know exactly what it takes to crack that 10K barrier. So here we go. Cue the music. Here I am, dropping venom today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing about exactly how you can break past that 10K barrier and the things that you need to do. So if this is of interest to you, then please like this video, subscribe, click on the notification bell. That way, anytime I drop venom, you'll get notified immediately. Now, this is going to be contrary to probably 90% of the gurus out there. So this is what you need to do. Before I jump into that, I'm going to tell you what they're telling you that you should be doing, and then I'm going to tell you the truth. So this is what they're saying. You need to hustle 7 days a week. You need to grind it out. You need to work 120 hours every single week. You have to absolutely hustle, grind it out, and you need to invest in yourself, all this kind of stuff. And you need to save your money, put your money aside, and you need to be able to put enough money aside in case there's a snowstorm and all this kind of stuff, so that in an emergency, you can make it. So you got to watch every penny. That's what they're saying. What they're leaving out is, and this is critical, you need to understand first and foremost how to market yourself, how to market your business. If you don't have a fundamental grasp on marketing, it doesn't matter how much you hustle, it's not going to work. So one of the fundamentals of marketing is you need to have your own product or service to sell. And I would prefer that you have a consulting, coaching business, because that is where the money is at. That is where you can actually scale above $10,000. You can try affiliate marketing, Amazon, all this kind of stuff, but drop shipping, all this kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, those are small percentages, and you're going to have a lot of volume. And you have to really understand marketing in order to get people to your website. So that is a key component that they're not sharing with you. You'll hear from Grant Cardone, you'll hear from Gary Vaynerchuk, you'll hear from Ty Lopez, you'll hear from Ted Locke, all these other social media gurus telling you that you need to grind it out. But at the end of the day, they have products and services and salespeople working for them. And that is the common thread. This is something that you need to understand. I have my own products or services to sell. All you have to do is go to salesviper.net and you can see all the different programs that I offer. Or you can try and learn through osmosis, and you can just continually watch videos. You can watch videos on Instagram. You can go to Facebook and join multiple groups on Facebook and never really understand what it takes to build your own business, to build your own empire, to get you past 10K. Because honestly, if you're making anywhere from $2,000 to $6,000, it's not life changing. You're going to have to grind it out. And if you have a full-time job, it's even harder. So what I'm telling you is going to take work, but it's focused work. You're building your pipeline. So you have to use your website. That is where you need to have all your business, all your traffic needs to be able to end up on your website. And I use YouTube to generate traffic, generate free leads, because YouTube is free. and I send people over to my website. Some will buy, some won't. Some will get free resources. Some will join me on Zoom. Some will join me on Facebook, all this kind of stuff. And then you can build a steady cash flow because of that. But if you can't do that, it's going to be very tough for you to break that 10K barrier. I'm just being honest with you. I'm just telling you the truth. If you don't know how to build an online business from scratch, that's where you need to visit my website, salesviper.net. Excuse me. That's the only way that you're going to get ahead. That is when you need to hustle. Hustle is great if you're working on something for yourself. So I say spend all the money that you have in order to invest in yourself, in order to build your own website, in order to build your own YouTube channel, all that kind of stuff, because you need that to market your business. So I am against the idea of saving money for a rainy day. I am for the idea of investing every penny that you have into learning how to market your business, understanding how to sell, how to handle objections, all this kind of stuff. Last year, I spent over $20,000 on training, and I continued to spend money on that, on learning marketing. If you're not prepared to spend anything on learning these skills, you're going to get left behind. It doesn't matter what the newest thing is, you're just going to get left behind. So you need your website. You need to offer a program or service that you can sell and that you can scale. That's what the gurus are not telling you. Instead, they're telling you that you need to hustle. But hustle is not good if you don't have a plan in place. And you should plan on learning marketing. If you don't know how to do that, again, visit my website. So this is Truth Serum Day. So I'm just dropping some truth here. And realistically, most of you understand this, but you're going to continue to watch more videos, and you're going to continue to buy books, and you're not going to finish them. Did you know that 80% of people that buy courses never finish them? Why is that? Why is that? Because it takes care of an itch that they have, which is they're trying to find a magic bullet. And the magic bullet is always out of your reach if you don't know what to sell. It's going to be very difficult. So I offer a coaching program. Now I have the ability to create content on my YouTube channel, and then I send people to my website. And how many people am I allowed to send to my website? As many as I want. How many videos can I create on YouTube? As many as I want. That's how you scale. How much can I charge? As much as I want, because I'm coaching, consulting. If you are doing, let's just say you have a video production company, which I've had for years, and you do a video and you're charging per hour, there's only so many hours you can spend either shooting that video or working on the video. Doesn't matter how much you charge. You can charge 120 bucks an hour. You can charge $400 an hour, whatever it is. At the end of the day, you got to go back out and drum up new business. You got to do sales. You got to know how to market your business. So it always comes back to marketing and knowing how to sell yourself. There you go. So there's the venom for today. If you like this type of content, let me know in the comments, and I'm going to be dropping some more venom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Thanks again for watching my video, and if you like that type of content, be sure to check out some of my previous videos.